In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Canva website navigation bar. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable menu across the top of your Canva website that helps visitors get to the right place fast. Start by opening your website design. From the Canva home screen, either open your existing project or start fresh by searching for website templates. A template can speed things up and give you a consistent look, but you can customize everything later, so don't worry about picking the perfect one right away. Next, let's see all your pages at once. In the editor, look for the grid view icon near the bottom right, usually a little square made of 4 smaller squares. Tap that to open a thumbnail view of every page. This is the best place to map out your sections like Home, About, Services, and Contact. Add new pages here as needed. Keeping each section on its own page will make your navigation bar simple and intuitive. Now give each page a clear title. In Grid View, tap the 3 dots on a page thumbnail, then choose Notes or the pencil icon, and select Add Page Title. Type a short, descriptive name like About Us or Contact. Repeat this for every page you want to appear in your menu. Keep titles brief so they fit neatly across the top, and use consistent capitalization for a polished look. If there's a page you don't want in the menu like a thank you page or a legal page, choose Hide Page. Hidden pages stay in your design but won't clutter the navigation bar. Arrange your page order next. The menu follows the sequence of pages in your design, so drag and drop thumbnails in Grid View until they're in the exact order you want. A common flow is Home, About, Services, and Contact, but choose what makes sense for your site. Fewer, clearer items usually create a better experience. Time to preview. Click Preview at the top right of the editor. In the website preview, make sure Include Navigation menu is checked so your page titles appear across the top. Click through a few pages to confirm everything links correctly and that none of the titles wrap to a second line. If they do, shorten the text or adjust the order. If everything looks good, publish your website. Click Share, then Publish Website. During publishing, double-check that the navigation menu option is still enabled so it goes live with your site. And that's it. Thanks for watching.